Hello, I am Dipesh. The question is, Mr. Jani invested an amount of rupees 12,000 at the simple interest rate of 10% per annum and another amount at the simple interest rate of 20% per annum. If the total interest earned at the end of 1 year on the total amount invested is 14%, then the total amount invested is. It is given in the question that Mr. Jani invested rupees 12,000 at the simple interest rate of 10% per annum and some another amount at the simple interest rate of 20% per annum. Let us assume that the amount that he invested on at 20% per annum be rupees P. Then the total interest earned by him at the end of the year would be given by $12,000 into 10 into 1 upon 100 plus P into 20 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 1200 plus P upon 5. Now it is also mentioned in the question the total interest earned at the end of the year on the total amount invested is 14%. That is, this interest is equal to the interest obtained on the total amount at the rate of 14% per annum. That is, this 1200 plus P upon 5 is equal to total amount, that is 12,000 plus P at the rate of 14% per annum for 1 year. This implies 6,000 plus P upon 5 is equal to 12,000 plus P into 14 upon 100. That is 1,20,000 plus 20P is equal to 1,68,000 plus 14P. That is 6P equal to 48,000. Therefore, P is equal to 8,000. Therefore, the total amount invested is 12,000 plus 8,000, that is equal to rupees 20,000. That is answer option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Dipesh. The question is, the difference between simple interest and compound interest on a certain sum at 3% per annum for 3 years is rupees 27.27. The sum is. The basic concept behind this question is that for a certain principal P at a particular rate of interest R and for a time T, the amount after compound interest will be given by P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to the power T. Therefore, compound interest will be given by amount minus principal. That is, compound interest would be given by P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to the power T minus P. Also, the simple interest is given by P into R into T upon 100. As it is given in the question that R is 3% per annum and T is 3 years. Therefore, compound interest will be P into 1 plus 3 upon 100 whole cube minus P, that is P into 1 plus 3 upon 100 the whole cube plus 3 into 3 upon 100 the whole square plus 3 into 3 upon 100 minus P, which is P into 3 upon 100 the whole cube plus 3 into 3 upon 100 the whole square plus 3 into 3 upon 100. Also, the simple interest for this case would be given by P into 3 into 3 upon 100. Therefore, the difference of the compound interest and the simple interest would be given by P into 3 upon 100 the whole cube plus 3 into 3 upon 100 the whole square plus 3 into 3 upon 100 minus P into 3 into 3 upon 100, which is P into 3 upon 100 the whole cube plus 3 into 3 upon 100 the whole square. It is given in the question that the difference of the compound interest and simple interest is rupees 27.27. Therefore, 27.27 is equal to P into 3 upon 100 the whole cube plus 3 into 3 upon 100 the whole square. If we take the LCM on the right hand side, it would come out to be 100 cube. And the right hand side of the equation will be converted into P into 3 cube plus 100 into 3 cube whole upon 100 cube. Therefore, 27.27 equal to P into 3 cube plus 100 into 3 cube upon 100 cube, which gives P is equal to 27.27 into 100 cube whole upon 27 plus 2700, which is equal to 27.27 into 100 cube upon 2727, which is equal to rupees 10,000. Hence, P is equal to rupees 10,000. That is answer option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Dipesh. The question is, a moneylender lent a total amount of rupees 47,000 to A, B and C at 5%, 3% and 4% per annum respectively as rate of interest. If each ends up paying the same amount of interest at the end of 7 years, 10 years and 5 years respectively, then the amount borrowed by C is. Let us assume the principals of A and B be rupees X and rupees Y respectively. Then the principal of C would be 47,000 minus X minus Y. The rate of interest applicable to A, B and C are 5%, 3% and 4% per annum respectively. It is also given that each ends up paying the same amount of interest at the end of 7 years, 10 years and 5 years respectively. That is, amount paid by A at the end of 7 years is equal to the amount paid by B at the end of 10 years and the amount paid by C at the end of 5 years. That is, X into 5 into 7 upon 100 is equal to y into 3 into 10 upon 100 equal to 47,000 minus x minus y into 4 into 5 upon 100. That is 35x equal to 30y equal to 20 times 47,000 minus x minus y. Let us name this equation as equation number 1. From equation number 1 we have 35x equal to 30y. That is x equal to 6 by 7 of y. Let us name this equation as equation number 2. Also from equation number 1 we have 30y equal to 20 times 47,000 minus x minus y. Now if we use the value of x from equation number 2, we have 30y equal to 20 times 47,000 minus 6 by 7 y minus y. This is equal to 30y upon 20 equal to 47,000 into 7 minus 13y whole upon 7. This implies 7 into 3 by 2y equal to 47,000 into 7 minus 13y. This implies 21y equal to 47,000 into 14 minus 26y. That is 47y equal to 47,000 into 14. This gives y is equal to 14,000. Now since equation 2 states that x equal to 6 by 7 of y, we get x is equal to 6 by 7 of 14,000, that is 12,000, and c's share, that is 47,000 minus x minus y, is given by 47,000 minus 14,000 minus 12,000, that is equal to 21,000. Hence answer option number 4th. Thank you.